Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to bulk edit product prices in Shopify without having to spend hours doing so? That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video, and I will show you a hidden trick that no one knows. And trust me, yeah, no one knows. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, on the left menu right here, you will see the menu product. Simply click on it, and below it, you will see inventory. As you can see, simply click on it. And yeah, you might be thinking, we are here to update product prices. Yeah, I know, just trust me. So the next thing we're going to do is click on this icon right here to check mark all the products. However, it will not select all the products. If I scroll down, you will see this option right here to go to the next page so you can see the yield of 50 product. To select all the product in this store, click on select all in this store. So simply click on it. Now all the product in the store are selected. The next thing you're going to do is on the right of the screen, you will see this option called bulk edit. That's exactly what we need. Simply click on it and it will open up this CSV style page, as you can see, with all the products breaking down into different variants, each with the price and the inventory. In case you don't see the prices here, click on this columns beside save button. As you can see, simply click on it and scroll down and enable. In case it's not enabled, click on price and it will enable the price here. If you want to edit the compared price as well, make sure to enable that as well and it will show up here, as you can see. Now, how to edit the product price? I mean bulk editing. For example, as you can see, now this is all one product. However, different variants, different colors, as you can see. It's just the image are all the same. So this is all one product, different variants. I want to set the same price for all of them. Traditionally, I have to click edit this one to 17, for example, then click do this one 17. No, actually, you don't have to do that. Simply edit just one. For example, as I see, I edited this one. Now you see this blue square here. Move the mouse cursor over it and you will see it becomes an arrow. Then simply click and drag. Boom, all 17. So this is the easiest way to adjust the pricing for all the variants at once without having to click on each one and edit it. You can do the same for the other variants as well. However, if you want to adjust the pricing mathematically by adding a percentage, using the Excel like logic or whatever, you can do so. However, not on this page. You have first to exit from this page. Let me exit, leave the page. After that, we're gonna get back to the traditional products page. Here, click on product, so it will show you all the products, and now simply click on export. Click on export button and make sure you select all the products. It will export all the products, and make sure you select CSV file for Excel and click on export products, and now you can import that product to Excel and add the pricing or adjust the pricing mathematically based on a percentage that you want. But I think most of the people will use the first trick. But for now, that's how you bulk edit product prices in Shopify using the easiest way possible. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.